Hi my friends, welcome to Auntie No's Kitchen. For those of you that are returning, you know what I always say to my old friends, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And to my new subscribers, I hope you hang around because there's lots to come from Auntie No's Kitchen, because everything that's come out of this kitchen comes from the heart. So thank you for all your support to my new channel. I really appreciate it. So come on, we're gonna make some Tater salad. Or if you didn't understand that, aka potato salad. Now I'm the only one that eats it in here, so this is made for me. So we're going to get started. I want to show you. Now this is the classic potato salad, that southern potato salad that grandmama made before they came out with all these things that you put in it. Okay, so this is just classic straight potato salad that was placed on the table for 100 years ago. Okay, so we're going to get started. Just give me a moment and I'll be right back. What I've done, I bought three potatoes. I use Yukon Gold today. You know I love Yukon Gold anyway. I have 4 potatoes that I peeled and cut in cube. And what I did, I boiled them, but you don't boil your potatoes to where you can mash them up. But I do boil mine to their soft, because they must be soft for Auntie. Now, you need two eggs. So this is 3 potatoes cut up in cubes. You need 2 eggs. Now you can slice your eggs up, dice your eggs up, but Auntie can't digest them if they're diced. So I have to put mine in the food processor. Yep. Auntie have to throw hers in there like this. Okay, my friends. Auntie, that's because to my new people that are watching, I have gastroparesis and also a global motility disorder. So okay, I have that in there, and I'm going to add, this is 2 tablespoons of mustard, and if I want some more, I will add some more. This is 1/8 cup of sweet pickle relish, and this is 1/2 a cup of mayo. I use light mayo. See my light mayo? I love Hellman's. And I'm going to put a little ground pepper in here. I like ground pepper, black pepper. Yes, Auntie likes pepper. A little sea salt. Told me stop using that because it has no sodium in it. My sodium is always low because I use that a lot. Okay, and I'm going to get this all together, all mixed in, all nice and goody gumdrop. Yeah, get all this incorporated. See, this is just straight plain. Now you can add bell pepper in here. You can add celery in here. Your garlic salt, garlic powder. You know, you add whatever you want in here. But I'm not doing all that because I can't have all that. So, and I'm the only one that eats potato salad anyway. And this is my grandmother. This is how she always made it. Now I do like that Jamaican potato salad. I could digest that, but I didn't feel like doing that today. My sister turned me on to that Jamaican potato salad that she makes. I can digest that. Now all I had to do was walk outside to the garage and into the freezer. I'm so lazy. I have a right to be lazy. We all do. We all have a right to be lazy. And I'm the only one eating this, so I can lick my own spoon. Yum, 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 yum. Look, this is my spoon. Yeah, the old classic tater salad. That's all this is, old classic tater salad. Put it in a bowl. Yes, just put it in one of these. Put as much as gonna fit in here. I do like to make it pretty, so I'm going to throw some paprika. Paprika. Put some paprika on here. Paprika. That's good. Fry my paprika. Okay. Got my paprika. I don't like smoked paprika. Now, unless I make Jamaican food, I use smoked paprika. If I use, you know, I use smoked paprika. If I make Jamaican Caribbean food, I use that. But my standard, I use regular paprika. And this is it, my friends. Just plain old potato salad. That's it. Just simple, quick, and easy. Nothing fancy. Just plain old tater salad. Okay? Tater salad. Or potato salad. Whatever you want to call it. You know, deep down back in the day, it's tater salad. So, thank you for stopping by. Hold on, my friends. Thank you guys for stopping by while I made my tater salad. I really appreciate it. And to the next upload, yeah, I can lick my own bowl because it's mine. Yeah, okay. You probably say it's rude, but it's not rude. Okay. Back to what I'm saying. Thank you guys for stopping in and hanging out with old auntie. You know, I really appreciate your love and support. Hit the like and subscribe button if you choose to again. Love you guys until the next upload because I have a lot of things I have to do. A lot of things I have to got to come out of this kitchen in the next 2 days. So I'll be doing quite a few uploads. So, you know, whatever I cook them, their meals is an upload. Okay? So until next time, love you guys. Hugs and kisses. I love you all. Go out there. I hope you guys have a great evening, great night, great day, wherever you are in this world, whatever country you're in. Have an awesome, and you be awesome too. Well, you already are awesome. Just be even better at being awesome. Okay? Bye.